If you have a house in Marysville, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses all over Marysville and all over Central Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers of homes in Marysville prefer to work with us as a direct buyer, a cash buyer, instead of marketing and listing with a realtor, and then dealing with more of a traditional buyer. So first off, with a traditional type of buyer, which we're not traditional, but with a traditional buyer, you're typically going to be dealing with somebody who's using a mortgage, a loan, so they're going to need formal inspections and formal appraisals, and there's a lot more time that needs to happen, and there's a lot more hoops that need to be jumped through, and they're going to compile a bunch of information, quite frankly, that could be used against you as the seller of this house. When they get their inspector in there and they test every outlet and test every light switch and ceiling fan and open and close the doors, the windows, the floors, and flashlights, and listen, they're going to compile all of these repairs needed that could only be used against you because it's not an as-is buyer, right? They're going to want some work. And maybe it's not even the buyer that's trying to, nickel and dime you. Maybe it's the buyer's lender. Oftentimes, what you will see with a traditional buyer is the buyer's lender won't close unless certain repairs are made or credits are given by you, the seller. This is unnecessary. When you work with a true, bona fide cash buyer with a great reputation, that's what we do. We buy the house in its as-is condition. What allows us to do that is it's truly a cash purchase, so there's no mortgage company involved, no bank involved. We're going to buy the house as is. So you don't need to go be a weekend warrior, fix anything. You don't got to clean anything. You don't got to pull out the paper towels and the Windex like, when you're trying to list the property or get it ready for an open house. Or no, there's no formal inspections. There's no appraisals. We're going to give you a fair price. You don't got to haul anything away. This is a biggie. I could give you pictures of houses that we buy every week. Every week we buy houses. Yeah, there's a lot of junk in there because our message to you is you can take with you anything that you want. Of course, all of your family heirlooms and valuables or collectibles and whatever you want, take. Anything you don't want, leave behind. That is a huge convenience factor for you because I don't know the last time you ended up moving or dealing with a move. Moving's the worst, isn't it? Like, it's always the small stuff. The big stuff's easy. You get a couple guys to move a couch. That's easy. It's the small stuff and the boxing up of stuff and all that. You don't have to do anything. Take with you anything you want. Leave behind anything you don't. We will take care of it all for you. You don't got to fix anything, clean anything. No trips to the Home Depot and no pulling out the broom and the dustpan. So we'll buy the house in its as-is condition, and we buy houses in Marysville, Ohio, fast for cash, make it very convenient for you, treat you like a neighbor, treat you with respect, make you a fair offer. We're not a call center. We're not a sales gimmick. This isn't anything like that. We're a local business. We're proud of what we do. You could come to us. We're in Central Ohio. We can meet if you want. We have no problems at all. We're going to treat you fair. Let's get something done. And if we can't get something done on your house in Marysville, no crime, no foul. We'll shake hands. We'll part as friends. So if you have a house in Marysville, you're ready to get it sold, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.